Hey YouTube, it's Dirt and Diesel here. So today I'm going to install backup lights with the factory backup sensor on a 2017 Pioneer 1005. So I went pretty lazy this time, didn't make my own harness. I went on eBay and I bought this harness here. So we have the plug that plugs into the OEM plug, and then they were kind enough to put a secondary plug on here, and it comes with the plug here. The lights I'm going to be installing on either side are just some rock lights. I got these off Amazon for I think 20 bucks. So what we're going to do first is you're going to lift the bed to make it easier, and you're going to be able to run your wires along the frame here. If you get underneath here, see if I can do this. Sorry about the shaky camera. And you look right up over here, there is a factory plug for the factory backup alarm. So what you can do is buy the alarm, make your own harness, pull the dummy plug out and wire it, or do like I did, just buy the harness on eBay for 40 bucks or so, and you plug that in. And the way it works is reverse is triggered by a ground. So when you put the side-by-side in reverse, it should automatically turn on. So let's go ahead and I'll start getting this installed and let's see how we do. All right, and we're back. So it took me about 45 minutes to do the install. I go real slow. So what I did is I went from the factory plug. I don't know if you can see it down here. Here's the wire from the harness I bought. I just routed it all the way with the factory harness, clipped it into the clips. So initially I wanted to put the backup lights right here behind both of the turn brake lights. Got a little lazy, so I ended up putting them down here. Ran the wires right here. I know it's a little dark, apologize. All I did was took the positives and the ground, went to the harness, soldered everything up. I put 2 different layers of wire loom after I soldered it and shrink wrapped everything up nice and tight. So we'll go turn the key on. Put it in park, walk back here, and there's nothing. Go into reverse. Now I have nice bright reverse lights, and then I'll show you drive real quick. Throw it down into high range, and it's off. The only other wiring I have back there is when you turn your headlights on. As you can see, I do have tail light. Out here in Arizona, we are street legal. We do not need turn signals, but you do need an illuminated license plate. So all I did was I ran the wires right here and I tapped into this brake light. And on the running lights is exactly where I pulled the wires back, soldered the license plate light on, and then wrapped it up nice and tight. And it's new wire loom. Then if we turn the key off, even in reverse, the lights obviously aren't on. Thanks for joining. Go ahead and do me a favor and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.